Hello there. Today we need to find the HCF of 84 and 56. HCF means the biggest number that can go into both 84 and 56 with nothing left over. Here is how we do it. We take the big number and split it by the small number. Then we look at what is left over. We keep going until nothing is left over. The last number we split by is our answer. First, we pick the bigger number, 84, and split it by the smaller number, 56. Let's set it up. How many times does 56 fit into 84? Just one time. 1 times 56 is 56. Now we take away 56 from 84 and we get 28 left over. We are not done yet. The leftover number is 28, so now we take the old small number 56 and split it by 28. How many times does 28 fit into 56? It fits exactly 2 times. 2 times 28 is 56. We take away 56 from 56 and get 0 left over. Nothing left over means we are done. Let's look at all our work together. First we split 84 by 56 and got 28 left over. Then we split 56 by 28 and got 0 left over. The last number we split by was 28. Great job! The HCF of 84 and 56 is 28. That means 28 is the biggest number that goes into both 84 and 56 perfectly with nothing left over. You did it!